Can you unlock the blue chest? What is the world's largest passenger airplane? Airbus A380. What do pilots call the moment the wheels touch the runway? Touchdown. You're doing great. What's the busiest airport in the world for passenger traffic? Atlanta ATL. Now another one. What happens when a plane breaks the sound barrier? It makes a sonic boom. The blue chest is close. Which airplane model is nicknamed the Queen of the Skies? Boeing 747. Comment what prize you've won and subscribe.